Sending money from India to Mexico can be a complex process, but with the right guidance, it can be done efficiently and securely. To begin, you need to understand the different options available for sending money internationally. The most common methods are through banks, money transfer services, and online platforms. First, you need to choose a reliable service provider that offers competitive exchange rates and low fees. Some popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, and Xoom. You can compare their rates and fees on their websites or by visiting their branches. Once you have selected a service provider, you need to gather the necessary documents. These typically include your identification proof, such as a passport or Aadhaar card, and the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information in Mexico. Next, you need to create an account with the service provider, either online or in person. This will require you to provide your personal and financial information, as well as verify your identity. After your account is set up, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. The service provider will then convert your Indian rupees to Mexican pesos and transfer the funds to the recipient's bank account. The transfer time can vary depending on the service provider and the payment method, but it usually takes between 1 to 3 business days. It is essential to keep in mind that there are limits on the amount you can send, and you may need to provide additional documentation for larger transfers. Additionally, you should be aware of the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer, as they can affect the amount the recipient receives. To ensure a smooth and secure transfer, make sure to use a reputable service provider and follow their instructions carefully. It is also crucial to keep your account and transaction information confidential to prevent any potential fraud. In summary, sending money from India to Mexico requires careful planning and research. By choosing a reliable service provider, gathering the necessary documents, and following the transfer process, you can ensure that your money reaches its destination efficiently and securely. Always compare rates and fees, and be aware of any transfer limits and exchange rates to get the best value for your money.